This is the video tour of Kamin Street, apartment number 34. Excuse me. Walk in, have a little hallway, turn into your living room. Really nice, bright windows. It's a good sized living room. Ceiling fan going. You have your kitchen, nice tile floor. Good, lots of cabinets. Good counter space, sink, fridge. That goes to the fire escape. Another nice window. And a super awesome brand new oven in this one. Very nice. Okay. Another angle of the living room. Through the hallway, straight back you have your bathroom. Sink, toilet, tub. Then you have the bedroom. So here's the whole thing. In the back corner there's a smaller closet. Nice windows again. And then there's your bigger closet. Okay, Kamin number 34 tour.